Why do you think this amazing house in Florida is elevated on stilts? If you think you know the reason, give us your opinion in the comment section below. This amazing house is crafted from 3 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and elevated above the ground on stilts overlooking the Alafia River in Florida. The end result is a beautiful, eclectic space with shared values of sustainability, uniqueness, and character, with a design that befits the personality inherent in a shipping container house. The main entrance opens into a large and bright living space featuring a fully furnished kitchen with a well-crafted cabinetry for adequate storage, stainless steel appliances, open shelving storage, quartz countertops, and a beautiful kitchen island that also serves as the home's dining area or a working station. From the kitchen is a grey-themed lounge area fitted with a comfortable sitting area, a decent-sized smart TV mounted on the wall, and ample lighting plus fresh air from the large glass windows. Of the living room is a luxurious contemporary bathroom equipped with a toilet, a curtain shower cubicle, vanity with a unique sink, storage cabinets, and a beautiful bathroom mirror. Of the living room is a short hallway that leads to the bedrooms. Along the hallway is a pantry and a laundry alcove fitted with a stacked washer and dryer. The master suite is a picture of luxury, including a comfy king-sized bed, bedside cabinets, drawers, large mirror, a flat-screen TV, and a good-sized glass window that offers natural light and close ventilation. The master bedroom is joined by a modern bathroom that features a vanity with storage, a fully tiled shower cubicle, and a separate toilet. The second bedroom features a comfy king-sized bed, flat-screen TV, and a glass window for natural lighting. The house is fitted with ceiling fans to enhance indoor thermal comfort. The large decks on the outside create beautiful places to enjoy warm evenings, an outdoor dining area for lunch and romantic dinners, plus a generous outdoor space to view the stars at night. This 3-bedroom house is fitted with a proper roof above the containers to shield it from harsh elements. This beautiful house is listed for sale at $500,000 US. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. What do you like about this amazing container home? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.